bhajate mam anayobak sadhure shamanatva shamak Betavashahid Shah. Next, Man Manabhava Madbhakta Madhyaji Mam Namaskuru Nami Vaswasi Yuktavam Atmanam Madpranayana Aham Sharvasha Prabhuva Matva Sharvam Prabhatate Iti Matva Bhajante Ma Buddha Bhava Shananvita Matchita Matapana Badhayanta Parushparam Patayanta Shamam Nityam Tushanti Charamanti Cha Janma Karma Cha Medevyam.
It's okay, Subhadra. No need. This Kunti prayers will do only Saturday. Okay. Thank you so much. Anybody want to try?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, you read the last year. That was as a container. That Guru Madarpanam.
Yes.
मेरे को पता है कपी चेत सुदर्शन
Mataji.
Yes, Api Cheta Sudarashan.
I missed this one. So can we go to the third one? I don't know this. I missed that class.
Okay, okay. Yes, you could do the Manmana Baba.
Manmana Madbhakta Madhya Jiva Manaskuru Mame Veshasi Yuttavairam Atmanam Matvaraya Namaha.
Mataji, could I go, Mataji?
Mataji.
Second.
Mata Sara Sarade Matwa Bhajante Ma Buddha Bahasana. Thank you, Mataji.
Could I go, Mataji? Mataji, could I go, Mataji?
You change the name.
Can you raise your hand? I will call one by one.
No, wait, click.
Can you raise your hand?
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna.
I'm raising Mataji.
Backspace.
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
Aham sarvasya prabhu matya sarva pravattate iti matya bhajante mam the bhavashaminditaha. Could I see the translation, Mataji? Mataji, could I see the translation?
Yes, yes.
I am the source of all spiritual and the master. I am the source of all spiritual and the material world. Every day, everything emanates from me, the wise who perfectly know his engage in my devotional service and worship me with all their hearts. Thank you, Mataji.
Do you want to try this? All the sloka?
Yeah, Mataji.
Yes.
I don't read.
I think can you do only sloka? It we may not have enough time to read all the translation. You can read at home, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
I don't know this one, Mataji. Could I do the other one?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Api chetu sajataryo bhajanti ma amanyanyat sudro iva samanvitaha samyagna viso hi saha. Manma bhakto matya jiva namaskuru name vaishya yukteva ada ut. Wait. Manmanam bhakto mat yaji mam namaskuru name vaishyasi Deva Adam Matmana Namaha.
Thank you so much, Kesavi. Anybody? Yeah, I already, this all kids already raised the hand. I will call one by one. Okay. I
Okay.
saw Pranav was raising his hand. Pranav, can you go next, and then I will call others.
Manmana Bhava
From Yatkarosi, you can go from Yatkarosi.
Yatkaroshya Dasnasi Yattapasya Santeya Tatkuru Samadarpana
Apicetasu.
Vichetu Sudracharya Anamyabha Sauturevasya Mattavya Samyak Vyavasto Suha Manmanabhava Madbhakto Madhyaji Mame Vaishya Atmana Matparayana Aham Sarvasya Prabhavo Mata Sarvam Pravartate Iti Matva Bhajate Mam Samanvitaha. Thank you, Master.
Sorry, happy to Subhita. I want to Subhita.
Okay, next now I saw Anyas. Anyas, can you do next?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Yat Karoshi, sir.
Yatkaroshi Yadashnasi Yajuosi Dadasi Yattabassasi Konteya Tatkrushvarma Darpanam.
अभी देख सेकंड आएगा.
Abhichetsu Duracharo Bhajate Mam Ananya Bhav Sadhureva Samantavya Samyagya Vasito Hisa
मनमना.
Manmana Bhava Madbhakto Madhya Jivam Namaskru Mame Vishyasi Satyam Yukvevam Atmanam Parayana. Am Sarvasya Pabhavo Mata Sarvam Pavartate Iti Matva Bhajante Mam Buddha Bhava Samanvita.
Thank you so much. Next, Vaishnavi.
Mataji.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Who is this Vaishnavi? Samagori? Is this Mataji? Okay, Parikshit. Can you go next, Parikshit?
Yeah, Mataji.
Mataji, next to Loka Mataji. It Karoshi, Hana?
Karoshi Eganati Esudidarasia Tapatasi Kasaya
Tatkurusa.
Katsukusam Banapra.
Next. Apichetsu Durachara.
Apichetsu Durachara Vadukuna Anabha
Sadhu.
Sadhu Matapha
Samyak.
Samanantures.
Next Mataji. Manmana Bhava.
Manmana Mama To Mataji Namaskar Mami Deva Atama Prayama.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much. Next, Kavis, I think you did before Tanvik and Kavis, Sanvi, Brinda, they already did. Anybody want to try?
Me, Mataji. Me, Mataji.
Can you raise your hand? It will be easy for me to call you. Can you raise your hand? Everyone who want to do one by one, I'll call your name, okay?
Muted.
It's Balaram Subhadra. Balaram Subhadra, can you go?
Okay, can I go, Mataji? Balram?
Balram. Yes.
यत् करोषि यत् अश्नासि यज्जहोषि ददासि यत् तपस्यसि कौन्तेय तत् कुरु अपि चेत् सुधा दुराचारो भजते आदरे समन्तव्य सम्यग् व्यवसितो हि सः मन्मना मद्भक्तो मद्याजी मां नमस्कुरु मामेव वशसि युक्त्वा आत्मानं मत्परायणः भजन्ति बुद्धाभवासमन्वितः.
Subhadra Mataji, can Subhadra can go? Subhadra, are you there?
Yes, yat karoshi yat ashnasi yat hosi tatasi yat tapasyasi kaunteya tat kurushvam madarpanam api cheta sudarachara vajate mamananyapak sadhureva samantavya samyak vastahi sa Mamana bhava madbhakto madhyaji namaskuru Mam eva shasya yuktevam atmanam matparanaha Aham sarvasya prabhuvo matte sarvastate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samannvita.
Thank you, Balram, Subhadra. Garima, can you go next, Garima? Garima, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, aham sarvasya prabhavu.
No, yat karosi, from yat karosi. Go
Yat
ahead.
karosi. That you know. Speak.
Yat nakaroshi yat adnasi yat juhoshi dadashi yat
Can
tapasya
you other mute?
teya
Can other mute?
tat
Say again.
kurusa
Say again.
ya tat karoshi yat ya
Yeah, go ahead again.
Abhichet suduracharo bhajate mamananyabhak sadur eva samantavyaha samyak devasito hisa Manmana bhava madbhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru mad evaishasi yuktaivam atmanam parayanaha.
Okay, next. Garima, did you finish?
Garima, speak next. Aham sarvasya.
Aham sarvasya prabhavo mataha sarvam prabhavate iti matta vajante mam buddha bhava samantavya.
Thank you, Garima. Radhika, Rasika, can you go next?
Mukunda. Yes.
Okay, Yat karoshi.
Yat karoshi yadasnasi yadjohoshi darasi yat tapasyasi konteya tat kurushma my alpanasi. Me Mukunda. Ananyaba sadore basya mantavya samyog vavi
Tu hisa.
itu hisaha Manmana mama madbhakto madhya jivanasku mamaya shishkate atam pranayaha
Aham sarvasya.
aham sarvasya prabhu matya prabhattate eti matta bhajante ma buddha bhasamin vitaha. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Rasika. Radhika, do you want? I will call you Mukunda. Just wait, okay? Radhika. Go ahead.
Dasnasi yajjohosi dadasi yat tapasyasi konteya tad kurushva mad arpanam api cheta sudaracharo bhajate mamananyabhag
साधुरेव समन्तव्य संयोगो वयस्य सः मन्मना भव मद्भक्तो मद्याजी मां नमस्कुरु मामे वैशस्य युक्तेवं हतं मत्ता प्रयन्यः अहं सर्वस्य प्रभवो मत्ता सर्वं प्रवर्तते इति मत्वा भजन्ते मां भूतभावा समन्वितः. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. Manmai, do you want to try?
No thanks, Mataji.
No thanks. Okay, Mukunda, go next, Mukunda.
Mataji Shivan. Yat karosi yadasnasi yajoshi darabi yat tapasya deya tatkuru swamadarpanam Manmanapasamatpakto madhya jivam namaskuru mane vashasi yuktva atmanam matkarayana am sarvasya prabhado vatsa pravartate iti mam bhajante mam buddhava samavitaha. Thank you, Mataji. Mataji Shivan.
Sivans, go ahead.
Yat karosni asnasi yat jihosi dadasi yat pasrasi konteya tat kushvamadarpana aham sarvasya brahma mata sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava savanvita. Mataji, I will tell a picture.
Another one, Mataji, he don't remember that one.
Okay, okay. Manmana, go ahead, Manmana. You want to try Manmana Bhava, Sivans? Finish?
Apiche Sudurachara. Try. We don't want to do Mataji now.
Fine.
Sorry.
Okay, next time, Tushita, can you try? Yes, go ahead.
Okay. कोई ना मेरे पीछे पीछे बोल रहा. Okay. Then Manmana Manmana Man. You will listen. Manmana Bhava Madbhakto Madhyai Mama Namaskuru.
Can Ram Sridhar, can you go next? Ram Sridhar?
Yes.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Manmana Bhava Madbhakto Madhyaji.
खेलते हैं बच्चे तो सही.
Mame Vaishasi Jana Mat Atmanan Matparaya Namaha Matpara Namaha Parayanaha. Thank you, Mataji. Mataji can go.
Mataji, you are muted.
Yes, Satvik, go ahead, Satvik. Satvik, go ahead.
I know just one sloka.
Oh, it's fine. Go ahead.
यत्करोषि यत्नासि यज्जुषि तदसि यत्तपस्यसि कौन्तेय यत्कुरुष्व मत्यात्मनो.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mother.
Did everyone get chance?
Mataji,
Yes, yes. Which sloka you want to do? Yat karosi? Go ahead. All of it. Okay.
यत्करोषि यत्नासि यज्जुषि तदसि यत्तपस्यसि कौन्तेय तत्कुरुष्व मत्यात्मनम्. अभिचे सुदूराचार्य भजते मानन्यवा सादरेण समन्वय समय विकसितोऽस्यः.
What other is there? Manmana.
मन्मना भव मद्भक्तो पञ्चायति मां नमस्कुरु मयि
Mataji, he has learned the chapter 8 shloka of Manmana. So,
Chapter 18. Okay, no problem, Mataji.
Aham Sarvasya.
हम सर्वं तत्तं प्रवर्तते किमत्वा कुन्दन्ते मा कुत्ता भावसमन्वितः.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mataji.
Mataji, can I try Aham
Yes,
Sarvasya?
yes, yes, Giridhari. Go ahead.
Sarvasya.
Aham Sarvasya Prabhumatta Sarvam Pravartate Iti Mata Bhajante Man Buddha Bane Samavita. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Thank you.
Sarvasya.
Did everyone get chance? Anybody want to try?
Mataji, I didn't get chance.
Okay, Tanvi can get.
Mataji, I didn't get the chance.
Okay, Mayuk, yes, Mayuk didn't get chance. Okay, Mayuk, go ahead.
Aham Sarvasya Prabhu.
I'm so Papa.
Yat karosi yat tasnasi.
Edjuhoji.
Yat karosi
Edkalosi.
yat tasnasi.
Edanasi.
Edjuhoshi
Edjuhoji.
dadasi.
Tadasti.
Yat tapasyasi kaunteya.
Etapasasi. Konteya.
Tat kurusva
Tatkuruswa.
madarpanam.
Madapanam.
So I have this new set. I just opened it, and this new set, I was amazed with this.
Episode.
When I just opened it, I didn't know. I thought it was breaking. I didn't know.
Patutema.
Ananyata
Malikbat.
sadureva
Satureva.
samanvataya
Samavataya.
samaya
Samaya.
vaistavyo hisa
Vade.
hisa.
Isa.
Next one.
I try Mata.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mataji.
Yes, Ram Sridhar. What did you say?
Yes,
Yeah.
Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
You want to try another sloka?
Yeah.
Which one?
Yat karoshi.
Netkaroshi.
I think he did. Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. If you have time, when everyone got a chance, he wants to try one more, Mataji.
Okay, yeah. The other kids is there who didn't get chance, and then we have to break the room now.
Okay, Mataji, no problem.
Yeah. Yes.
I didn't
Who is this? Can you try?
Tanvik Mataji.
Yes, Tanvi, go ahead. I know you and then Janvi, Kavi's did in the beginning, but you can try. Yeah, Tanvi, go ahead.
Yetkaroshi yadashnasi yajyoti yadasi yatapasyasi kanteya tatkurushvama tatpanam. Api chetuduracharo vachivamana nibhaktadureyas davya samyak yavasito hisa. Manmanabhava takto matyaji mam namaskuru mameva shasi yukte mam atmana matparayana. Aham sarvasya prabhu matta sarvam pravartate timatva bhajante mam buddhavas machitamatya prana bodhayanta paraswaram khatayanja shyamam nityam tushanti charamati cha tesham yuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam dadayam bhakti yoga.
Kavis, do you want to try?
Yeah, I want to try again, Mataji.
Yes, yes.
Yat karosi rasnasi. Yat johoti yadasiyat. Yat tapasyasi konteya. Tat kurus mama darpanam. Aham sarya saprabhavo. Matta sarvam prakatate. Iti matva bhajante mam. Buddha bhava samanvita. Madmana pavamat bhakto. Madhyaji mam namaskuru. Ame sasi uktevam. Atmana maparayana. Aham sarya saprabhavo. Apicheti suduracharo. Bhajite mamananyabha. Arura iva samantadya. Samyaya visahoti saha.
Thank you so much to all the kids. Mataji, can you do the break the room, Mataji? We can go to the...
Yes, Mataji, it's happening now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Lakshmi Mataji, are you there? Yeah.
I'm here, Mataji. Hare Krishna, kids. All right, kids, can you hear me?
Yes. Hare Krishna, Lakshmi Mataji.
Hare Krishna, kids. All right. So let's get started. Are you excited about the Devanagari today?
Okay, Nanubus, it's okay.
Okay, so let's start this. I am sharing my screen. All right. So just like any other script, like English, for example, Devanagari is also divided into vowels and consonants, as you can see on the screen. And the good news is we have already completed all the vowels, okay? So from today, we're going to start with consonants. So let's go to the recap slide. And this is what we have learned so far. If you want, you can repeat that with me once before we jump into today's class. So let's just go through all the letters we have done so far. So all the vowels, okay? So it is a, e, sorry. U, ri, a, o, aha. Correct? Awesome. I know some of you are repeating very well. All right, so let's start with today's class. We are talking about consonants today. And the first letter we're going to learn today is Ka. So you see how it is on my screen? And can you follow all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and make it yourself, or you want me to show that to you? Is it easy? All right, so it is Ka. You're going to make one horizontal line on the top and then a vertical line coming down, right? And then you're going to make a C, basically a round, a circle, O basically. No, not C. So you will make O on the left side, and on the right side, you will make a C, which is, you know, going down. That makes your Ka. Everybody got it? Easy, right? If you want, I can actually quickly show that to you. Can you see my notepad? Are you able to see the notepad?
Yes.
Cool. All right, so it's very easy. I'm going to show you real quick. You are smart kids. You would have known it by now. But okay, so I said we will make a horizontal line like this, okay? Horizontal line, okay, right, like that. And then we're going to make a vertical line just going down like that, right? And then I said we're going to make O here. So O like this, right? So here. So we make O here, and then a C which is going down, right? Not exactly C. So it is going to be like this. Do you see that? Easy. Sorry, I'm holding it very in a very awkward position, so it didn't come perfect. But yeah, it's pretty much it. Okay. So K is what we learned so far, and then what we can write with letter K is Kamalam. Kamalam in English is a lotus flower. Right? Okay, so let's go to the next letter for today. It is K. So that's also very, very, very easy. I'm going to show it to you here. So we're going to make a horizontal line again. All the letters have horizontal line, just like this. Okay, we're going to do this, and then we're going to make this shape here. It's kind of, all right, let's just make the shape. So a curve like this. C, which is in a opposite direction. Oh, there, okay. C in the opposite direction, that's how we make it. Now we're gonna get one line which is going down from this. So line going down from this. Okay, so do you see? Like that. So this is the line I just, oh, where's my pencil? Okay, this is the line I just made, okay? Line going down, very Now, the next one is going to be a vertical line from the horizontal line. So we will make a straight vertical line. Okay, just like this. A vertical line, just like this, okay? Now, the last part is we're gonna write, we're gonna do O. O on this vertical line. It's from here, just like that, okay? Well, I can. Okay, do you get it? Like, very simple. O, and that makes your K. Easy, right? All right, so let's see what we can write with letter K. K in Devanagari, we can write Khagaha. And what is a Khagaha in English? Is a bird. So you call bird a Khagaha in your Devanagari language. All right, we good? So kids, we did 2 letters today. One is K, and the second letter K, which is Kamalam, is a lotus flower in English. And K, which is Khagaha, that is a bird in English. Okay, so this is it for today. Anybody wants to show that to me? Okay. All right. So let's see Mukunda. Wow, Mukunda, you've written earlier vowels as well. Very nice. Good job. Beautiful, Mukunda. All right. Anybody else? Yeah. Radhika Rasika, right? I'm going to just unmute you all. You can show your screen and I would be able to see you. So give me 1 second. Let me unmute you all. Awesome. Thank you, Mataji. All right. Yes. So I can start seeing everybody. Let us see. Radhika Rasika. Yeah, you can show it now.
Mataji, this is Vaishnavi.
Yeah, Vaishnavi, I'll see yours also.
This is Rasika.
Okay, right, awesome. Yeah, Rasika, show that one more time. Okay, all right. You're very close, Rasika, very well. Radhika, you want to show too?
Yeah, Radhika wants to show.
Okay, let's see. Okay, good, Radhika. Good job. Who else is showing? Good job, Radhika, Rasika. Okay, Tanvik.
I see him. I'm showing. I saw him.
Okay, I cannot see. Get this closer to the screen. Wow, I really cannot see anything. I think it's very bright. Okay, now I was able to see now.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Well done, Tanvik. Good job.
I have.
Yeah, because you're writing with your fancy pencils, that is why. Madhav, are you ready to show? Madhav, you want to show?
Hare Krishna Mataji. I think he's too young, too small to he's just 2 years, 10 months. So he's just drawing something on his book.
That's all right, Mataji. He's trying, and that's really good. It's very nice. Okay. Yeah, Mataji, thank you. Ram Shridhar. All right, that is awesome. Good job.
Thank you.
Very well done. Yeah, very nice. You know, but for the curve, for both the letters you have written, just bring them closer next time. Okay, that will look perfect. All right. Yeah. Yes. Otherwise, you're good. You did very well. Mukunda, I've already seen yours. Who else? Satvik. Are you ready to show, Satvik?
Yeah.
No? Oh, okay. All right, let's see. All right, I see Ka. Yeah, I can see Ka. And where is Ka?
He's still right, Satvik.
He's still writing. All right, no, Ka was perfect. Very well done, Satvik. Anybody else wants to show? Anyone else? All right, kids. Okay, Shivansh, you want to show what you have written? Shivansh, you're still writing? That's all right, kids. Yeah, you take your time, no rush, okay? You can write Ka and Ka, both the letters. If you want to practice rest of the vowels, do that. And then you can share that in WhatsApp group and we will be able to take a look at that, okay? So with that, kids, we are actually done with our today's class. So let us finish our today's class with Vaishnav Pranam Mantra. It is on your screen as well, and we are going to do that together. Thank you, kids. Thank you, kids. We'll see you next time. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Thank you, kids. Hare Krishna.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you, kids. Thank you, Hare Krishna.